Hello, my name is Jocelyn. If I had my life to live over, I really would not change anything, but I would like to travel the world to Paris and the Caribbean in particular. I also wanted to be famous as Hollywood actress, but that is a wish, and I would like to have more free time to relax. Cause at this time I do many things at once and sometimes I feel tired. I want to go to Egypt to see the pyramids and culture exchange only really cities that you travel and have money to do and enjoy more. Free time without concerts that I have things that I do tomorrow. And finally, I want to be studied more microeconomics for not having to take it again.